Last week was the craziest but most historical week in Elon Musk's Tesla and SpaceX history. I will tell you all about it right now. Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and welcome back to all my viewers. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my supporters and patrons. Thank you. You can follow me on all the social media outlets. All the links are below. And last week, really by far, and I don't want to exaggerate, really by far was a very consequential, historical, a little crazy week, not only for Elon Musk personally and Tesla, but it's also for the EV world and for automotive world in general. So let's go through it quickly. Here's what we got. Here's what we have. On Monday, the SEC, went right after another tweet from Elon Musk, and they are now charging him in court. They asked the court to take a look about contempt of court, about him not holding to his end of the bargain in the last settlements they had when he tweeted about taking Tesla private. And it has to do with him saying that Tesla is capable of producing 500,000 cars and selling 500,000 this year, and he immediately amended it to maybe 400,000, the aspiration, but the SEC is on his tail. They can't wait. And Tuesday they went at it again, and because he tweeted that there's something broken at the SEC in their oversight. So he made no secrets how disrespectful he is to the SEC. On Wednesday, he had some strange tweets again. It's all on Twitter, but ET phone home, no answer. Having to do with what will happen the next day with SPACEX, Mars, traveling, and all that. On Thursday, the Tesla website was shut, quote unquote, for any sales. You couldn't buy a Tesla for a few hours on Thursday, and it says the wait is almost over. And at 5 p.m. Eastern time, 2 p.m. Pacific time, the long anticipated, this was really more than 10 years. I know that the introduction of the Tesla Model 3 happened almost 3 years ago, in March 3 years ago. But the idea, the long-term goal of Tesla, the master plan, if you remember the acronym SEXY, the Model S, Model X, Model 3, three lines going horizontal, and Model Y, which will come later this year. This was the big goal. The Tesla Model 3 was the ultimate goal, 35,000, and there he came. The 35,000 Tesla base Model 3, 220 miles, a 60 kilowatt hour battery was introduced. It's all online, all kinds of options. Wonderful achievement. In addition to significant discounts for Model S and Model X's in various configurations, up to almost $12,000. You also said that there will be probably no profit for the first quarter of 2019, and he talks about 420 to 600,000 Teslas, all Teslas, to be produced, meaning that even though January and February were not so great success in selling, and I'm going to give you a couple of numbers, I mean, the Tesla boom is about to explode. On Friday, there was a sharp decline in Tesla stocks, 7.8% decline, almost a little bit more than $25. He also announced the closing of galleries and stores at malls to save money. Also, 920 million was due for bonds that expired. Also, NHTSA, the National Transportation Safety, said that they're going to launch yet another investigation for a Tesla accident in Delray Beach, I believe, in Florida, having to do with autopilot use. There was one in New Jersey where I am, also another investigation. In other words, I made a lot of autopilot videos and telling a lot of do not open before you read the instruction. If you haven't seen them, search in my channel. There are a few of them. On Saturday, today, a SpaceX Crew Dragon was launched to the space station, the International Space Station, in a Falcon 9 rocket, which actually, having to do with my homeland, also launched the Genesis satellite. The Genesis satellite that is going to land in the moon. It's an Israeli-made. It's orbiting now Earth, and it's going to hopefully land in the moon hopefully soon. That was also to try to start carrying humans into the space station, and eventually the ultimate goal to go to Mars. And also the sales numbers for the month of February came out. Tesla Model 3 sold 5,750. It's about 1,000 less than January. Model S 800, not a lot at all, and Model X 1100, also not a lot. So obviously it's winter. Look, there's a lot of snow. Look at this. There's so much snow on the ground. It's winter. It's normal. But I feel, and I know I read so much about it. There's so many alarmists and so many doubters. And I listened to Bob Lutz yesterday. I can't listen to that guy anymore. About that Tesla is going to go to hell and all that. I feel that Tesla is about to go on an absolute sales tear. That doesn't mean they're going to make money. They did make money the last 2 quarters, maybe not this quarter, but I think that the future is so bright. I really believe this. All right, let me know your thought. It was a crazy historical week in the world of EVs, in Tesla, in Elon Musk, SpaceX, all kinds of things happening. It's exciting. It really is exciting. A lot to talk about. Thank you guys for watching. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow with another awesome video.